So we're here, guys. We're at Fontana Pharmacy on Waterloo. And if you don't know, Fontana, I call it like the Jamaican Target. So it has everything that you could actually think of: home decor, pharmaceuticals, beauty, everything that you could need. And we're at their newest location at Waterloo. There's Starbucks here, there's Wendy's. So yeah, let's go inside. I'm gonna have everything as much as I can quoted in USD. So stay tuned. We're at Fontana. Let's go. So as you guys can see, I was just showing you a bit of inside the pharmacy and all the extensive products, makeup, skincare, all that they have to offer. But this is not our focus for today because I would get lost in this section, okay? I love me some makeup, I love some hair products. But at this location, we are here for home decor. So let's go there. It's so distracting though. It's just that place that has everything. So this is me. I'm just saying hi to you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. All items will be quoted in USD and JMD dollars. All right, so let's go up to the escalator up to heaven. Okay, up to home decor. All right, guys, let's see what's waiting for us. And I am immediately blown away. Immediately blown away. Look at these pieces, guys. Look at this sculptural object. So good. I love the color of the metallic on that. It's not too gold, it's not too silver. It's like a nice mix in between. I love this man that's folded up here, this sculpture. So good. Like, I was immediately blown away. Immediately blown away by the selection that they have, and upstairs with home decor section is massive. All right, I've seen that white piece with that white man face in Homegoods actually. So Fontana has some Homegoods dupes. Okay, guys, Fontana has some Homegood dupes. And here you have, like, I believe this is like the Buddha and those more religious types of sculptures and pots. I don't really know if this is not really my vibe, but I'm just showing you guys so that you know that they have it here, they have it available. Okay, but really, like, do you see how massive upstairs is? Wait, I think this is Buddha, guys. I am not 100% sure. All right, but if you like this, or if you're religious, I don't know if this offends anyone, but these are like the trends in home decor right now with the Buddha and these things. All right, I don't know if I really like using person's religion as home decor, so it's not really for me. I like that sculpture that we just looked at a while ago too, with the man's hands extended wide out. That's really good. Here you have this bull. Really love that. Would be nice for like a shelf or a bookshelf in your home. Really cute decor. Really good. Look at these pieces, these two candle holders, these wooden candle holders, beautiful. And then this gold, I believe it's a vase at the top. Yeah, it's a vase. Really, really good. But these now, these planters, it's a set of 3. These planters are beautiful. Like, just imagine you put this nice plant into these pots. Fabulous. And as I said from the home decor trends video, this weaving and rattan, it's going to be a big trend for 2020. I told you guys already, and it's already there. All right, and in stores. So I mean, if you haven't watched that video after this video, go check it out. My 2020 home decor trends video. And here you just have some more sculptural pieces. Really nice. Look at these. So here's that man that we saw on the first shelf, but in black. And also like the little men on the ladder. This will be great for a bookshelf. This is so cute. I love this piece right here. So good. But look at this piece at the bottom here. I have seen something like this in HomeGoods, just not in this color. You can actually paint this. I would actually really want this piece. I'm seriously contending getting that piece and painting it to like white or black. Well, white. Fully white. That would be so beautiful. And here's this little wine rack. Well, not little because you can hold multiple bottles of wine in here. I was trying to show you guys the price, but I just couldn't angle the phone so correctly. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, Fontana is right on trend with a lot of things. Like, do you see this home decor section, how massive it is? Oh my god. And in here, you know, this trend is really popular too, with those like paintings that you kind of like use a blow dryer and you blow it around and it gives you this nice swirly pattern. And this was a set of 3. These are the end tables, accent tables. Here are some more. This is more for the glam person who loves the glam decor. It has a mirror on the top. But then I feel like the one that's in black could also be really modern too, because you know it has that larger black base. Just a little mirror on the top. Yeah, it's 28,199. It's really hard to see because of the reflection from the mirror. But really good pieces. Here you have some more accent tables and tables right here. Super beautiful. This one was 41,599 for the set of 2. Really good pieces. And then cushion world. Well, one cushion that stood out to me again was this one with this weaving pattern. I really wish it was in another color, but as I told you guys, this weaving, basket, rattan, all of those patterns are gonna be in, and here it is right here in this fabric. I've seen this in HomeGoods also in a different color. So Fontana has the HomeGoods dupes, you guys. Fontana has the HomeGoods dupes. Look at this bowl right here. And even if you don't want to put anything in it, it's a good piece on its own. And this is a lamp base, a golden lamp base. Really beautiful. Fontana has the pieces, guys. And here are some lamps of varying shapes and colors. You have the whites. These are more classic, you know, these two right here at the end. And then I like this one for a more industrial home with those legs. All right, here is a lovely piece for someone who has a coastal home. So this would go nicely on a coffee table for a vacation home or a coastal theme home. Same with this little leaf. This would go great on a console table, coffee table, entrance table. Really beautiful. And here you have some lanterns and this candle holder. Guys, do you see again the rattan or the weaving with this candle holder? I'm telling you, it's a big trend. Here are some lanterns, really cute, nice and simple. And then you have some more glam ones with gold or glass, you know, for the persons who love the silver in their home. And then here's this really beautiful boat. Again, I would put this on a bookshelf, or if you have like floating shelves in your homes, it could even go on a console table. Actually, my mother really likes this piece as well. This was a good piece. And here are some bookends. Don't like the ones with the fish, but the A to Z can work with me. So yeah, those are $5,799 plus tax. Please add tax to all the pieces that I'm showing you. You know, here are some more end tables again. This was $23,999 plus tax for the set. And then here are some candle holders. And this lion sculpture. There's some nice candle holders or hurricanes. Again, some accent tables, rattan and weaving. Told you this is a big trend right there. But really good. And you have some decorative objects right there. Nice decorative objects. What a show-stopping piece. Look at this accent table, guys. Oh, it's too beautiful. And then here's a nice little glam lamp for the persons who love the glam decor. But look at the table. The table was a star to me. Oh, and then the variety of lamps here. Now, Fontana, you came out. You are not here to play with the home decor for the girls, Fontana. You are not here to play. Look at these lamps, guys. Floor lamps, task lamps, like night table lamps. They have them all. Isn't this what you would see in Target and Home Goods, all these places? I'm so sorry about the reflection, but The camera wasn't focusing because, you know, it's a metallic piece. So sorry about that, but you can check it out in person. But look at this nice coppery one as well. I'm so sorry, guys. It was not focusing. But yeah, Fontana had all the task lamps, all the floor lamps. Beautiful. I'd just recommend coming in person to see these pieces because just come in person. It's so good. So I'm just gonna show you guys these pieces. Yeah, this is for 32,000 plus $329, I believe. And then you have these nice one with these different bases, and then these large standing ones. So good, so good. This piece that we're going to look at, well, not this. My mom liked that, but this I've seen everywhere in terms of like H&M Home, West Ham, I think. That's such a good piece. You can even paint over that. That's such a good piece. All right, guys. Fontana got the pieces, man. I'm telling you. And here are some large lanterns. These would go for like outdoors. Yeah. And this really large mirror. I'm telling you, Fontana got the pieces. Okay. Look at this mirror with the shells. I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see that these are individual shells put together to form this pattern on this mirror. Yeah, those are all like tiny shells. So beautiful, right? Fontana, you doing it. You are doing it. And here you just have some more sculptural pieces. And look at this large world map. This nice artwork. You could hang this in your living room for, you know, the travel enthusiast. This is such a good like old world map. And then here we just have some more decorative pieces and this large lamp. I wish you could see like the actual size of this lamp. It was huge. Look at my hand compared to this lamp. Massive. And then you know the planter trend. Planters are in. Fontana has a wide array of planters, but I don't really like glossy planters. What I would do, I'd like sand this down with like some sandpaper or like spray paint it with matte black spray paint or matte white, matte off-white spray paint. That would be really good. And here they have some orchids, you know, for the orchid lovers and the fake plants lovers. Honestly, guys, are we over the orchids? Because I'm kind of over it. I would only put an orchid in like my bathroom. But anywhere else, I wouldn't put any orchids. But if you love orchids, they're here in all sorts of colors. shapes and pots. But I don't really love orchids like that anymore. Yeah. Here's some, this is a nice decorative bowl. Really cute. Yeah, this one was 4,999 plus tax. Guys, look at this teapot that my mother liked. I hate this. This, mm. But this piece would be really good on like an entryway table, a console table, and it was actually very reasonably priced, 799 plus tax. You know, that would be a really good piece. Could put your keys in there or anything that you need to grab right before you leave home. Baskets, baskets galore. No, I was so impressed with the basket selection at Fontana, guys. They have it all. Honestly, they're leading right now. They're leading. Like, look at all these baskets and all these vases. They even have this red one for someone you know who loves the color. All right. Look at all these lampshades as well. Like so many different shapes. You're guaranteed to find something that you like. You're guaranteed to find something that you like here at Fontana. So good. Like, the pieces are so good. Oh my god. So good. Guys, comment down below. Tell me your favorite piece that you've seen so far. We still have beautiful pieces to see, but comment down below. Tell me your favorite piece that you've seen so far. All right, here you have like these little marble clocks, little quirky pieces. If you're into things like that, you know, just a little quirky piece for you right there. And they have all these candles, much more than what I'm actually showing you. They have so more, but like candles weren't really the focus for today. But they have a lot of locally made products here at Fontana, lots of small business products here, so come and check them out. Oh, here you have some more baskets, and guys, you could even use these as like planters, you know, could put plants in these. This is really good. Like, these ones are really, really good, really well made as well. Yeah, so I believe that was for like the set of two. I'm not sure though, don't quote me, but I'm almost positively sure that's for the set of two. And here you have these decorative trays. Oh my god. You can put these on like your bedside tables, your dresser, your chest of drawers, coffee table. These are so good. But look at these cutting boards, and they have those beads on them. Very farmhouse, but you know, classic farmhouse. And then here are these coffee holders, coffee cup holders. Really nice, unique pieces at Fontana. my gosh, look at these trays, these decorative trays. Again, I'm telling you, like the wicker, the weaving, the rattan, the basket type of material, it's in. It's in for 2020. And here you can see it again with these trays. So beautiful, so well made. If you even want to put these in your kitchen, here's a round one, a round set. Really good. And guys, these are sets. Yeah, these are sets. They're like packaged together. And you know, we have the local made stuff. Coffee. These coffee mugs are really cute to me. So yeah, buy local. And Fontana has local, which is really good. Always good to have local made products here for sale. So this is their like damaged products, like sale wall. So these products excuse me, these products have like little chips, cracks. As you can see, that mirror inside that tray is broken, but this is a really good tray. Like this vase, it says that the covers are missing from this, but I believe it's like a jar, but you could just make this into a vase. You don't need a cover for that. Okay, so yeah, so these are the different pieces. They're damaged, but I mean, look at this fish. They said that left fin broken. Who would notice that? Who would notice that? You know, you just gotta be creative. Who would notice? But yeah, so you can also check out this little shelf in the back when you're here. That's perfectly fine to me. Like, what's wrong with these? Like some of them they're kind of obvious. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell. Yeah, turn on the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. It means the world to me. I see all your comments and everything that you're doing, your shares, everything, guys. Thank you so much and welcome home to Safe Haven. Bye, guys.